Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I'll be doing a cleaning video. I know so many of you are staying at home because of what's going on around the world, and I hope this video will inspire you to find something to do. Today I'm just gonna do a little bit of cleaning of my kitchen. So here I'm starting to put away some of my dishes, and now I'm just doing some more of my dishes. So every time I finish washing my dishes, I always clean my sink because it doesn't feel like I've accomplished cleaning if I don't scrub my sink. And after that, I usually use the hydrogen peroxide to sanitize my brush. Here I'm just putting away some of my appliances so I can clean and disinfect my countertops, including my stove. After disinfecting my countertops and stove, I usually either vacuum or sweep the floor, but since I have a lot of time in my hands, I chose to do some sweeping. And to complete my chores, I usually mop the floors. It feels so nice when you have a nice clean floor at the end of your cleaning. So here we go, it's all cleaned, and I hope you find this video helpful and inspiring, and if you do, give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.